Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Nekesa. I have come with another video. Thanks be to God. Today we are going to do a mini exam, and it's going to be a fingerspelled words exam, just few. So please be very careful and be very attentive so that you get all the signs and you write for me in the comment section your answers. Just a few. They are just 5 only, so please be attentive. Please write your answers in the comment section, and let's be interactive in the comment section so that we know and help each other on how to read the fingerspelled words. See you in my next video. Bye.